1.5. Oh, you are enlarged. My, how you've grown.
Oh, if only you'd come and see us more often.
We're always here, you know, waiting for a visit from those who are alive.
Every time you think of us, we wake up and see you again.
I mean, it's enough just to think.
Oh, didn't you know that?
No.
The living, they never learn anything.
Do you sleep all the time?
Yes, it's good to sleep when life is done.
It's good to wake up sometimes, too. Let's see your stockings, Tyltyl. Any hosted on? No. Oh, nothing. What a shame. I used to do all the sewing once upon a time, you know.
Yes, I remember.
Remember my apple tarts and the cabbage soup?
I always ate too much. He always made himself sick.
So he did, so he did.
Would you like some now?
Yes.
Come along then. There you are.
How good it smells.
Not as good as the soup I used to make, though. Nothing's as good as it used to be. It's all too easy. When you've been a mother and a housewife, paradise is too like Sunday to be true. It's not bad at all, this heaven, but it's not quite life. How can it be with nothing to do?
When you've been a woodman and a father, working hard to keep your children and your wife, it's all right a while this resting, but I'd rather spend, well, some of the time back in life.
Honestly, I'd sooner I was spending at least some of my eternity in mending,
in raking,
hatching,
thatching,
baking, absolutely any old chore.
But they won't let us work here
anymore.
Oh, this is good. I want some more.
Oh, now look what you've done.
There. You behave yourself. Didn't I tell you? There's one for you.
That's just like the slaps you used to give me when you were alive. But you're quite right. Nothing has changed.
Not even your manners.
Does the blackbird still sing?
As soon as you think of him, there he is.
But he's blue. Grandpa, he's blue! Grandma, that's the bluebird. Oh, can we have him, please? Will you give him to us, please?
What do you think, Grandpa?
Yes, take him. We never hear him sing anymore. He does nothing but sleep.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, dear Grandpa.
Mind you, I won't answer for that bird. I'm afraid he'll come flying back here with the first wind that blows this way.
We'll take great care of him.
Was anyone thinking of the time? That clock never works.
Yes, I was.
That explains it. We never think of the time.
Never.
Well, we promised Light we wouldn't stay long.
The living, they never stay still a minute.
No, they'll have to go if they promise, Grandpa.
Always rushing here and there.
Goodbye, Mytyl. Come back and see us soon.
We will. We will. Goodbye, Grandpa. Thank you for the bluebird.
Come back again.
It's such a treat when your thoughts visit us.
Bye. Goodbye.
I hope that bird's the right color.
She's no longer blue. She's turned black. Better let her go. Grandpa said she'd fly home. Goodbye, little blackbird. I'm sorry you weren't blue.
the world that waits and listens hear your blue halloo.
Halloo!
The blue halloo.
Halloo!
Halloo.
No!
Halloo.
Halloo!
Halloo.
Oh, the world needs children just like you to follow after every clue to happiness as true as you, the bird of most elusive blue.
When you think you've seen a flash of blue, let the world that waits and listens hear your blue halloo, the blue halloo, 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 halloo.
Happiness is given to so few.
There must be something you can do
To bring to earth that restless blue that suddenly cuts clouds in two.
When you think you've seen a flash of blue, let the world that waits and listens hear your blue halloo, the blue halloo, 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 halloo.
She's flying away. Where's she going?
There. Look, to the Palace of Night.
How strange it looks.
All the secrets of life are to be found there. Night is their guardian.
Well, hurry up. We mustn't lose her.
Stop, Tilt. Stop. I can't go any further.
What is it? What's the matter?
It's night. I'm losing my strength. Go on without me.
Without you?
I must stay here. I must wait until dawn.
Why can't we stay too?
You must go on. Night cannot prevent man from opening the doors to her secrets. Don't be afraid. Don't let her frighten you. Open every door.
You look all worn out.
Our secret is at stake. It's the beginning of the end. I fear there's nothing can be done.
Why, what's happened?
Tyltyl, the woodcutter's son, is coming here to demand the bluebird of you.
Well, he hasn't got her yet.
He'll have her soon, unless we perform miracles.
Oh, what times we live in. I don't understand man these last few years. What are they trying to do? Must they know everything?
Yes, I know. Times are hard, and we're almost alone in our struggle against man.
I hear them coming.
There's only one thing we can do. Since they are children, we must give them such a fright that they won't dare open all the doors.
What a good idea.
Scare them, Madam Knight. Terrify them. Use all the powers of darkness.
This way, little master. This way.
What have you been doing?
I've told Madam Knight that you're coming, and she'll be delighted to see you.
How gracious, how charming.
day, Mrs. Knight.
Good day. I'm not used to that. You might say good night, or at the very least, good evening.
Are those your two children?
Yes. This one's name is Sleep.
Who's that other one, hiding her face?
She is Sleep's sister. It's best not to mention her name.
Why?
Because it's death. Oh. The cat tells me that you've come to look for the bluebird.
Yes. Can you tell us where he is?
I'm afraid I don't know, dear.
Light said she was here, and Light knows what she's saying. Could we have your keys?
My keys?
So that we could look.
Try to understand, dear. I cannot give my keys to the first comer. I am in charge of all nature's secrets. I am responsible for them. And I am absolutely forbidden to give my keys to just anyone, especially a child.
You've no right to refuse them to man when he asks you for them. I know that.
Who told you?
Light.
Light! Light again! How dare she interfere?
Let me snatch the keys from her. I'll get them.
No! Keep quiet and behave yourself. Give me the keys, please.
Have you the sign?
Behold the diamond.
Here is the key. But if anything should happen, you have only yourselves to blame. I will not be answerable. Follow me.
Madam Knight, my great age, my experience, my devotion make me the natural protector of these two children. Therefore, Madam Knight, permit me to ask you a question.
Certainly.
In case of danger, which is the quickest way out?
There is no way out. No escape. Come. All of the evils and all the terrors are locked within these basalt caves. All the plagues and sicknesses. All of the catastrophes. And all the mysteries that have afflicted life since the beginning of the world. Many of them are giants, ruthless and cruel. Creatures without eyes. Unafraid of man. All of my secrets lie before you. Open the doors if you dare.
Lightsaber must look, and that's what I'm going to do. How cold it is.
It will get worse presently if you go on.
What's behind this door?